Assalamualaikum everyone. I pray that you're well, inshallah. I just want to give you an update. We're here with the Basic Necessities Foundation and helping Ikhwani in the of Wazara. Now, I was here last year during the month of July and October, and I've definitely seen an update from when I was last year. As you can see behind me over here, the school has been painted and the classrooms have now been stocked up with all the right equipment for children. Behind me you can also see these children here happily waiting to receive some goodies shortly. We've got the families also lined up just to receive the monthly ration packs. Over there you can see we've got the water tank already installed from compared to last time, the update. And over here are some latrines that have been built where the children used to go and relieve themselves in the bushes. They now have latrines to use, and we will be building more latrines soon, inshallah. The next step now is going to be building the water borehole, and over there where I'm pointing to is going to be the water borehole installation site, and we're also going to be finding an area to build the mosque. This is what you were chipping in towards during the month of Ramadan, donating on the GoFundMe page towards the water borehole and the mosque. So we're still £1,000 short. If anybody would like to donate, please donate on the link below. Your donation will be greatly appreciated. We're here, we're on the ground, we're showing up, we're doing the work towards building a life that truly matters and living a life that truly matters. Thank you. Behind me you can see where the lady is standing. That is going to be the area where they're going to be digging the water borehole, inshallah. And behind me over there is the preschool that has been built. So I will give you an update once we start the water borehole digging, inshallah. So this is one of the classrooms inside, as you can see. It's now complete with 40 children. There's the blackboard. We'll just step out.